Okay, this is how to restore the database that we'll be using almost all through the Power BI course. So after you must have installed your Power BI desktop, you've installed the SQL Server, and then you've also installed the SQL Server Management Studio. Okay, you will start by launching the Microsoft SQL Server Studio, just like I've done on the screen at the moment. And then you take notes of the server name here. After you must have installed everything, you see the server name here, because this is what you need to link your SQL Server to your Power BI. So from here now, we need to first of all restore the database that we'll be using. So you click on connect. So I've clicked on connect at the moment. Then I'll go to where I have my database. I'll right click on the database. Then I'll go to restore database. I'll go to restore database to locate the database that I want to restore. So from here now, I will choose that I want to restore my database from my device. So I'll select device. Then after selecting device, I will come here to the far right where I have these three dots here to browse and pick the database I want to restore. So I'll click here. Then it's asking me to add the database. I'll click on add. Then I'll need to locate the folder that has that file AdventureWorks DW 2020. But in case yours is not here, it won't be here by default. So let me quickly just show you how to copy the database from the folder we shared with you and how to get it to this particular location. So I'll quickly go to the folder that we gave you, the data analytics class, and I'll copy this file here, this adventure works. Then I'll go to my drive C. I'll go to my drive C. From my drive C, I'll go to the program files. From program files, I will locate SQL Server, Microsoft SQL Server. So I'll open it. Then I'll go to Microsoft QL, Microsoft SQL 15.SQL Express. I'll open it. Then I'll open this folder too. Then I'll open the backup. Then I'll paste that file. So once you paste the file here in this directory here, then you know that yes, you should see the file when you go back to your SQL Server Studio. So you see the file here, and then you just click on it and say OK. You click on it and say OK. Then you say another OK. Then you just wait for it to add that database to your SQL Server. So I already have it on my own system already, but I'm just showing us the entire process. So you will see database adventure work successfully restored. You can do OK. And if you go back to where you have your database and expand the database, you should see the adventure works 2020 here. Okay. So you can then now go back to your Power BI desktop. You go to the Power BI desktop. Like I said, don't forget this is the address, the instance that you need to then connect your Power BI to your SQL Server Management Studio. So take note of your computer name. Then these are backslash SQL Express. So just take note of your own computer name. My own computer name is Lincoln Demo. That is why I have Lincoln Demo / SQL Express here. So I'll just wait for the Power BI to load up. Then I'll show you how to then connect um, the server to your Power BI. Okay, it's loading up now. Okay, so I'll go to my SQL Server here, get data from SQL Server. Then it will ask for my server name. Don't forget your own computer name. So mine is Lincoln Demo, then SQL Express. That's all you need to do, and you say okay. You say okay for it to try and connect to the server. So it has connected. So it's going to load up all the tables in my database. So I have the database here now, Adventure Work. So if I just expand this, you see all the tables in your database. Okay, so you have all the tables in your database that you can preview before you import to your Power Query and transform it there. Okay, so that's it.